Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Komisi Bentaban Rakhia ke jingdap Arsan Snem Jong School ka Shulai Progressive Secondary School minta ka sengi kala pelong ya ka inter school sports meet ka banne sitayo bat ya kini kelempong na sedang hakalai potrik leber Hamadan He Stadium Maulai. Ya kini kelempong ilek kai lawan ban play da UJR Marang ubade Deputy Director of Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka Sorka Jela haka jinga don lang kino hikai ki khana school ki kimi kikpa lembat ki weipan. Haka ni sengi wat la ka jing penthut jong slap ubajur Rela sakhi ki khana school bakila mi shamadan bani shamata shitham haka jingya match pass but ru haka jingi lekai football ki school ki lawan shamata ka ni galempong ki don hadu an reutali ki bakan thop ya ka Shulai Progressive Secondary School, Mauro Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Putmori Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, Maulai Christian School, Maulai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School bat ka Meghalaya Police Public School. Haka ni sengi layo ka jingkran no kongsan UJR Marang nang talayo ru pan pensngo ya ka jingi alenti jong school na imes di Shulai bat ikong bi yaw pnyaw ibla ai ya ki kentien pedang sngopha.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.